So you've just had a staff member leave and they've been with you for 10 or 12 years and they hold a lot of knowledge about how the various data flows through your organization. I hear this story over and over again, and people are often spending 2 weeks training the next person, and then that person lacks the confidence and they leave before they even get to start the job properly. This has cost you as a small business owner a tremendous amount of money and wasted time and your attention. It didn't used to be that way because our administrative processes were relatively straightforward until the information age kicked in, 1980. Since then, information has been going on this extraordinary exponential curve of growth. Add to that the increasing compliance and COVID-related issues and all the different software packages and the security around those. And suddenly you've got a massive job on your hands of training the next person. The solution is a knowledge base, a place where every function and every task and every role is clearly documented in a very simple way, but structured so that it's easy to navigate, and the information and the resources that any individual needs to perform their role are at hand when they need them. I've been developing a radically simplified approach to information management. People are finding it incredibly easy to implement and to understand and to develop and evolve to meet their specific needs. And this need to reduce staff turnover and to reduce staff training costs is just one of the benefits of this system that I'm calling Focus. If you're interested in finding out more, leave a comment down below. The first 10 people who do so I'll get in touch with, and we'll set up a time for a 30-minute free, no obligation consultation video call. I'll learn a little bit more about your business, and you can tell me about some of your needs, and I can show you what a knowledge base looks like and how that could be specifically adapted and used in your context. So I look forward to hearing from you.